I have professional strength liquid Plumr hair eliminator gel, which I'm going to be using to eliminate hair and gunk that has been stopping up my drain right here in my bathtub right here. So it says this is a clog remover, and it's important that you read the warnings of here, because there's a lot of warnings. You want to read this. You want to be able to use this properly in a safe manner. So it's important that you read the owner's instructions before using this. Right here it says it specializes in a specialized formula, liquefies hair, removes hair, gunk, and soap scum, which is clogging up my drain right here. And the instructions on this, it says to remove clogs, pour entire bottle down drain, wait 15 minutes, and then flush with hot water. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and open this up, but important that you read all of the instructions on the label of your liquid Plumr before you use this, so you know exactly how to use this and not just watching this video in order for you to do it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it down the drain, but I'm going to go ahead and remove the top of this right here, the stopper, and then, well, this could be part of the reason, any gunk that I can remove with my hand. Oh yeah, a lot of stuff in here. Any gunk I can remove, just go ahead and remove it with your hand. And so I'm going to go ahead and follow the instructions. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And then I'm going to pour the entire bottle down the drain right here. And so I'm just going to go ahead, pour the entire bottle down the drain, and then wait 15 minutes. All right, so I'm going to do that. All right, so pour the bottle down there, and I'm going to wait 15 minutes to see if this actually works right here. So this is the liquid Plumr hair eliminator gel that I'm going to be using to clear the drain of my bathtub right here, so we can get the water flowing and see how it goes. All right, so let's wait 15 minutes. All right, it has been 15 minutes with the bathtub drain right here. As you can see right there, it is been 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the water and see how well this actually worked. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, that's a shower, I'm not gonna run that. I'm gonna run hot water. It's gonna take a second for the water to get hot. It seems as if the drain, it is actually draining quite fast, faster than it was. And it appears that the drain is working. So it's been hot water, so it's draining fast. Takes a little bit, yes. And indeed, the drain clog remover did work. The water is draining quite fast. I'm just going to keep on running hot water like it says I'm supposed to do. And it looks like it is working quite well. The water is not retaining inside of the bathtub anymore. It's actually going down the drain. And that is what I needed it to do.